Oh, I got it on the baitcaster too. No. The baitcaster, baby. Let's go.
Netting it. Yep,
Yes, net. Oh my God, it's big. I don't know what it is. It feels big, but it might just because of the. Oh, maybe it is big. No.
Gar.
I wish.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What is it? Oh, it's a big catfish. Oh, something big just splashed over there. You see it?
Oh.
Oh God, this is a nice cat. Dang.
5 catfish.
Yeah.
2 carp. 1
It's
sheephead.
about the same size as the other one. Actually, just chill for a second, dude.
Black pole.
I'm waiting for you to show, dude. Waiting for you to show.
Black pole. Slowly bending down. Should I reel?
No.
I'm scared.
Okay.
Alright, send phone back here. So that way it can record. Oh my lordy lord, that's how big fella.
It's not huge, but it's nice.
Very nice.
First cat on a baitcaster.
Nice. Camera's right there if you wanna.
Well, you hold it.
Well,
Can you?
I've got to make sure that the black pole
It's fine.
doesn't go
It's fine.
anywhere.
It's fine.
Alright. Hey, something just jumped in the water. It was pretty big. But nice cat. Did you keep your hook?
Every catfish breaks my hook. Okay. There it is, guys. Okay, in the video.
Alright.